Welcome back to the Chico class, and this is a discussion for booklet number 4, the 12 types of heuristic problem sum concept, and this is a pattern concept, type 4 different figures. Now, we come to one of the maybe slightly challenging different figures questions here, okay? So let's dive in and look at this question. Here says that Aaron used circles and triangles to form figures that follow a pattern. The first 4 figures are shown below. So you can see that the figures are like this, like this, like this, like this. Quite complicated if you want to go and count one by one. But luckily that we are given the table, and the table actually gives us a lot of information. So look at here. Figure 1 have 2, 2, 4. Figure 2, 4, 5, 9, 3, 8, 8, 16, 4, 12, 13, 25, 5, blank, blank, 36, 20, blank, 20, 221, blank. And the question was actually asking us to complete the table, which means that now we need to fill in for this, 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 this. And it was actually 2 bucks. But how? Okay? How? So the good thing is that always try to compare odd and even number. Okay, let me just use yellow color for odd and green color for even. Okay, so this is even, this is even. Now, if you notice, odd number actually have a similar thing, which give you like 2, 2. Can you see that? 8, 8. So no, I know for sure 5 is something plus something. Okay, and look at here. The total number of triangle and circle is 4 because 2 plus 2, right? 8 plus 8 is 16. So if to look for here, what plus what is 36? What plus what is 36? And I know you know that 36 divided by 2, it will be 18 plus 18. Then we're done for the first one. Now, how about this one? Now, I'm not sure how this is now. For 20. Again, I know that 20 is even number. So I need to recognize a pattern from by comparing the even number. Look at here. 4, 5, 12, 13. So actually, you know that it is like 4 plus 1 equal to 5. 12 plus 1 equal to 13. So I know that for sure here will be what? Will be 220, which is just one digit less. Okay. And of course, below here will be what? 220 plus 221. It will be actually 441. So we're done with the A. Now look at B. B here says that find the figure number of the pattern that has 729 triangles and circles. Now, we need to find that what is the figure number? I don't know the figure number when the total number is 729. This is our challenge now. Now, I believe by now you should actually recognize one thing. Let me just try to highlight this. Okay, you should recognize that this part, this blue color. Now, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Now, can you tell me that what are the names for these numbers? If you know 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, all of these are called perfect number. Not perfect number, perfect square, sorry. Perfect square basically means that a number that after square. Example, when I say 4, it's actually what? 2 square. When I say 9, it's actually 3 square. When I say 16, which is actually 4 square. So you can see that here is actually 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. Okay? Now, look at here again. Look at here. When this is 1, this is 2. When this is 2, this is 3. When this is 3, this is 4. Basically, it is actually n plus 1. N plus 1 square. Basically, the figure number, you plus 1, and you square, then will be the total number of triangles and circle. Just like this, 441 is actually what? It's actually 19 square. Okay. So now, by knowing this, we know that to look for the figure number here, actually we can find n plus 1 square is equal to 729. So basically what we need to do is to look for n plus 1 is equal to what? We need to square root 729. This is P. So n plus 1 is equal to square root 729. That's equal to 27. And n is equal to 27 minus 1. N is equal to 26. So that is basically the figure number. Means that when it is figure number 26, then there is actually 729 triangles and circle. Of course, you know, you do all these steps, you actually can straight away 729 square root, then you minus 1. Yeah, straight away do this is okay. Okay? But I'm just doing step by steps. Now, let's look at C. C here says that find the figure number of the pattern with 840 triangles. Now, I know that, okay, let me just draw the box. Triangles, now I know that I have 840. Okay, so now 840. By knowing this, how can I look for the figure number, which is here? Actually, we know that no matter, okay, if it is odd number, it will be the same. If it is even number, there will be one unit like went up. So basically, actually, you can just look here. Here, although whether we don't know whether it's odd number or even number, but here definitely will be either 840 or 841. Correct? Let's try 840. If it is 840 plus 840, it will be what? So let's try and put in calculator. 840 plus 840, it will be 1680. And let's use 1680 to square root 1680. Oops, if you square root it, it will actually give you 40.98. Okay? Remember, what I say this now is these blue color highlights are all perfect square. It means that you are able to square root it so that you can get the number. So I know that 840 can't be the number because you can't square root it. Means that this is not possible, this is not possible. Means that for sure, number of circles is 841. So let's try to put 840 plus 841, and there's 1681. Okay, there's 1681. And let's try to use square root 1681. Oops, okay, I see. I use 81681 as square root, and I get 41. Is 41 the answer? Is 41 the answer? I know this is 41 squared. But this is not the answer, right? We still need to minus 1 to get 40. Why minus 1? Look at here. If this is 6, this is 5, this is 5, this is 4. If this is 41, for sure here will be 40. That's why the answer is figure number 40. So that's all for this question. It's an interesting question because you make you realize about perfect square, about recognizing patterns in different situations. Okay. Anyway, I hope these questions help you to learn more, so be more careful in your understanding about questions. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.